Hello guys, Intel Core Ultra Meteor Lake chips launch date set for December 14 to feature chiplet design AL co-processor. Intel upcoming Core Ultra processor is codenamed Meteor Lake. Intel on Tuesday unveiled its Meteor Lake processor that will make their way to computer by the end of the year. The new Intel Core Ultra chips are built using company 7nm Intel 4 technology and are the first predecessor from the Intel to be equipped with dedicated neural processing unit for the improving on-device AL performance. Like rivals AMD and Qualcomm, Intel's upcoming chips use chipsets are tiles for different components on the same chip. Intel has also touted the ability of its chip to run generative AI tools more efficiently on a laptop. Launching on December 14, the upcoming Meteor Lake processor from Intel will succeed the firm's Raptor Lake CPU that were announced last year. The chipmaker says that the Meteor Lake represents the biggest architectural shift in the company's processor design in 4 decades, and top of the line chip is called the Intel Core Ultra. Intel appears to have switched to a new moniker for its high-end PC chip. Thanks to Intel's use of the chiplets, the new Meteor Lake processor will use the less power and offer better performance, according to the Intel. This suggests that the Meteor Lake CPUs might actually be aimed at laptop users. The company Tile has performance and efficiency cores that are claimed to offer much better battery efficiently as well as company's first integrated NPU AL engine. The processor has also dedicated tiles for media and graphics that are independently attached to the SoC. They can also be turned on and off independently according to Intel. The graphics tile on the processor is an Xe-LPG GPU that is equipped with 8 Xe cores and offers support for ray tracing and XeSS, Intel's technology to upscale content. Connectivity options on the I/O Tile Meteor Lake processor include Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.3, native HDMI 2.1, DisplayPort 2.1, PCIe Generation 5, and Thunderbolt 4. It appears that the customers will have to wait few more months before Intel introduces the first chips with support for their recently announced Thunderbolt 5 standard. Intel has also touted the ability of the Meteor Lake Intel Core Ultra chips to run AI tasks using the built-in NPU. The chips are expected to be able to run generative AI tools similar to ChatGPT on their computer without sending data to a cloud service. The dedicated NPU should also offer improved performance when using AI features that are expected to make their way to Windows in the future. Pricing for the Intel's Meteor Lake processor have not been announced, but we can expect to hear more about this processor closer to the December 14 launch date, including which OEMs will be the first to bring the new chips to consumers and whether they will feature in both laptops and desktop computer. So guys, तब तक के लिए goodbye, टाटा, bye bye.